Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be seeing the top 10 billionaires and their business in the world. So come on, let's go into the video. Number 10. Mukesh Ambani. About him. Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani is an Indian billionaire, businessman and the chairman, managing director and the largest shareholder of Reliance Industries Ltd, a Fortune Global 500 company and India's most valuable company by market value. Net worth $84.5 billion. Business Reliance Industries Ltd. Number 9. Sergey Brin. About him. Sergey Mikhailovich Brin is an American business magnate, computer scientist, and internet entrepreneur. Together with Larry Page, he co-founded Google. Brin was the president of Google's parent company, Alphabet Inc., until stepping down from the role on December 3, 2019. Net worth $89 billion. Business. Sergey Brin stepped down as president of Alphabet, parent company of Google, in December 2019 but remains a controller, shareholder, and a board member. Number 8. Larry Page. About him. Lawrence Edward Page is an American business magnate, computer scientist, and internet entrepreneur. He is best known as one of the co-founders of Google along with Sergey Brin. Net worth $91.5 billion. Business Alphabet Inc. Number 7. Larry Ellison. About him. Lawrence Joseph Ellison is an American business magnate and investor who is a co-founder, the executive chairman and chief technology officer of Oracle Corporation. Net worth $93 billion. Business Oracle Corporation. Number 6. Warren Buffett. About him. Warren Buffett may be the world's 6th richest person, worth $96 billion, but 2021 marks the first year since 1993 that the revered investor running Berkshire Hathaway has not appeared in the top 5. The stock expert and investment legend, better known as the Oracle of Omaha, raised his net worth by $28.5 billion. Net worth $96 billion. Business Berkshire Hathaway. Number 5. Mark Zuckerberg. About him. Rounding out the top 5 is Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg at $97 billion. The tech entrepreneur may have come under fire in recent times, but that didn't stop him from swelling his net worth by an eye-watering $42.3 billion. The massive jump comes in the wake of a big year for Facebook that saw the company's share rise 80% as people around the world used its social media platforms to stay in touch. Net worth $97 billion. Business, Facebook. Number 4. Bill Gates. About him, former world's richest man Bill Gates also had a solid year. The Microsoft co-founder ranks number 4 at $124 billion. Thanks to the strong share performance in Microsoft, Canadian National Railway and tractor maker Deere and Company. Net worth $124 billion. Business, co-founded Microsoft. Number 3. Bernard Arnault. About him, French luxury goods tycoon Bernard Arnault managed to hold on to his spot at number 3, but that doesn't do his year justice. Arnault raised his fortune to $150 billion from $76 billion due to an 86% rise in the shares of LVMH, owner of brands including Louis Vuitton and Christian Dior, and cosmetics retailer Sephora. Similar to Musk, Arnault was actually the richest man in the world for a short time in 2021, but once again fell after stock flopped. Net worth $150 billion. Business, LVMH. Number 2. Elon Musk. About him, Tesla and SpaceX chief Elon Musk was the biggest gainer in dollar terms this year. Flying into the number 2 spot, Musk is now worth a monster $151 billion, a whopping $126.4 billion more than a year ago, when he ranked number 31 and was worth $24.6 billion thanks to a 705% climb in Tesla shares. At one point this year, he was actually the world's richest man. However, fluctuating stocks saw him slip comfortably into the second position. Net worth $151 billion. Business, Tesla and SpaceX. Number 1. Jeff Bezos. About him, Amazon boss Jeff Bezos has become a familiar face at the top of Forbes' wealthiest people in the world list. This is the 4th year running he has taken home top honors, and it comes after a massive year for his distribution and retail business. The Jeff Bezos net worth figure is now up to $177 billion, a jump of $64 billion from a year ago as a result of surging Amazon shares. Net worth $177 billion. Business, Amazon. Thank you all for watching our video. Please like, share and comment. New viewers, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon near to it to stay tuned.